guys, Alicia here, your close to my heart independent consultant, and I am here today with a little unboxing video. I got a small little order of some fun things. So let me show you guys. First thing I got was this gymongous acrylic block. It is 5 by 6. It is a new size. And I have some fun stamps I'm going to use with this block. And I got another little 1 by 1 block because I like to try to lay out some of my stamps, you know, when I'm on a roll. I got the So Much Happy washi. I started a project with the So Much Happy and I realized I didn't have the washi. Where does it start? Look how cute. It's blue sapphire with I think clover dots. Cute. And thin 3D foam tape because I keep using the regular size and it's just too thick for a lot of stuff. And some more cutting, what are these called? Trimmer blades, because mine are starting to wear out. My paper is getting fuzzy. So Much Happy puffy stickers. I'm working on a really cool project with the So Much Happy paper I'm going to share with you guys soon. I'm pretty dang excited about it, but I'm going to add these to my project. And I got some things that were on clearance. I'll get them out of the box. Pretty excited about this stuff. So you should always want to check out the clearance section on the Close to My Heart website because you can get some cool stuff. I got these gold heart clips. Probably going to add these to my special project I'm working on. Like little paper clips. I got the banner, basic banner thin cuts. And you guys, these are cheap right now. I didn't look today to see if there were any left, but should head over there and check them out. And then I get these because I have a son and a daughter, so I thought I could do some cute scrapbook pages with these. Supergirl and Superboy. These are only like $4 or $5, you guys. So it has the stamp set and the thin cuts to go with it. So I thought those look fun. And what else? Ooh, I'm very excited about these. Now, some of these have since sold out, but they're coming back very soon. So I got the stitched rectangle frames. Oh, I cannot wait to start playing with these. The stitched square frames, and the stitched quilt shapes. These are the ones that have since sold out, but they are coming back, I believe, in March. So you'll see some projects coming up with those. Then I got some stamp sets. This is Love in Bloom, and it's a 6-step stamp set. So I'm working on a video right now, a project with this. I might have already started using it, and then I remembered I wanted to do an unboxing video. But this one's really fun. I'll give you, this is my trial run with it. It's really pretty. So you guys will see a video of that soon. And then this is a hostess only stamp set. You have to get an order or a party of over $150, and then you can get this stamp set. This is not a bill. How cute are these little... This is not a bill. No, really. Hugs enclosed. Handmade card inside. Oh, I can't wait to send out some cards with these stamps on the outside. And sticky notes. Look at those little cactuses. Thanks for sticking by me, even if I'm prickly. Just saying hello. Looking sharp. So cute. And I got the I Heart Us paper pack. Let me show you really quickly. So this is the cut apart sheet, and the other side. love that rainbow. And look at these adorable little hearts. Super cute. I love the colors in this. Super fun. And the featured colors are Black, Bluebird, Canary, Lagoon, Mint, Pixie, Raspberry, Sweet Leaf, and Thistle. Oh, I love this. It's like confetti. It's like party time. Ooh, with that nice bright yellow. Oh, and look at this zip strip. You make my world brighter. I only have eyes for you. Love my tribe. You, me, we. You are my everything. Oh, and look at that blue. Gorgeous. So that is the I Heart Us. And then, because my order was big enough, and I placed it at the end of January, this is no longer available. And I wasn't planning on getting it, but it was free, so I got it. So if you place a big enough party order, then they give you free things. But this is the Magnolia Frame Kit. I'm pretty excited. I didn't think I wanted one until I started seeing all the pictures online, and then I'm like, wow, I really do want one. So you choose a project to make. How cool is this? Anyways, I might do a video on this, or I might just show you guys my finished project. But these are all punch outs. That's the background. I believe. Wow, and this has a super thick, sturdy chipboard pieces. And I do believe this is double-sided, so that you can choose. It's sticking to stuff. So you can choose like the whitewashed wood or the darker wood. So that is my order, you guys. It wasn't super huge, but had a lot of good stuff I'm excited to start playing with. So that is all. There will be more videos coming soon. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.